My wife has this beautiful and super fun 2016 V6 supercharged Jaguar F-Type. This has been one of her favorite sports cars, so I like to keep it looking nice for her. Where do I go for detailing? Automotive Chemistry Detailing in Paris, Texas on Loop 286 at the Northeast Exit 79. John does very good work and helped fix my terrifying situation. Welcome to Road Odyssey. If you live in the Paris, Texas area, I hope you find this video helpful, and it may apply to anyone anywhere. Please like and subscribe. I have my Facebook page where you can keep up on my activities. This is about Automotive Chemistry Detailing in Paris, Texas, primarily. A very good shop with unbeatable pricing. Took the Jaguar there a long time ago and did the shop tour video. I was impressed. So I took the Jaguar for a full detail job. John dug into the car like crazy. Please go see my prior video. It is full of good information. The link will be in the description below. I actually have 3 prior videos. Check them out. John has a website and Facebook page. I would say look at the Facebook page. Tons of eye candy there and an easy way to initiate a dialogue with John. John has done work on many high caliber Porsches, Corvettes, Cadillacs, various SUVs and trucks, and even semi-trucks and RVs, and a few boats here and there. Here's a quick look at his business card. I had a recent wedding anniversary and wanted to treat my wife to another detail job, mainly because the paint got damaged at the exact center of the front clip. Possibly an evil Walmart shopping cart? The marks were very deep. Chances of fixing the damage were slim.
Oh, good Lord.
John theorized and tested the damage for free. He was kind of disappointed and knew that he could not completely fix the damage. It was just too deep. Please be certain that he has very good experience in various forms of paint damage, such as from older vehicles that need a ton of cleaning and finish repair. Personally, my procedure for taking a car to a detailer is to always wash the car as well as possible before going to the detail shop. This helps get a little more accurate quote. And while the Jag looks really nice under lights with just a simple wash, it does have problems beyond the terrible front clip scratches. When you look at the lights and move around slowly, you might be able to see all of the bad top coat blemishes. These marks vary in depth. They come from having the car sit outside for a long time, as it did for at least 2 years before we moved. Bird poop sitting on it for too long, water marks, me washing it incorrectly, rough drying towels and harsh soaps, and the headlights got overly oxidized, making them very cloudy. The more I have been into cars over the past few years, the more I want to see a good-looking car, especially for my wife. I told John to fix the paint of the whole car, fix the terrible marks up front, and try to fix the headlights. Look again at the light reflections and see how he seriously muted the debris marks in the hood. Well, actually all over. So much better. The whole car sparkled like new, and that's even with it inside the shop. Also, the headlights were about 75% or more improved after 2 treatments. And as a token of his appreciation, he cleaned the wheels and tires, well, for free. I almost forgot. He put a ceramic coat on the car for free as well. Wow. We got the Jag home for another look outside, and in our wooded driveway, I was blown away. It looked magnificent. Inspecting the front, well, the marks are still there because he couldn't go deep enough. But the marks are very much only a ghost, and you would have to really look close to even think about them. Again, the headlight lenses were heavily oxidized. Now you have to look close to see damage. They are greatly improved. The pricing was and is extremely fair at John's Automotive Chemistry Detailing. Extremely fair. Less than what another detailer had quoted me for doing less work. Automotive Chemistry Detailing. Contact John for a quote and appointment. Ask him for help to know if your detailing shop is treating you right or if pricing is fair. He is a wealth of knowledge and loves to tell you about his work and how to take care of your car yourself if need be. You can learn important things from quickly watching my prior videos as well. I hope this has been of use to you, especially if you want to know if you are being treated right. So with that, please relax, take it easy, and I will see you later. Bye.